Vijay Sai Devarakonda is an Indian film actor and producer and biggest Telugu star of the post Mahesh Babu era, known predominantly for his work in Telugu cinema. Most Desirable Men in India's list is out, and Tollywood sensation Vijay Devarakonda is the only Telugu actor to be named in the top 10 in the list. His audacious redefinition of the screen hero and his staggering fan following, compounded by an uncanny marketing savvy, have taken Vijay's popularity from Andhra to other parts of India. He debuted in romantic comedy Nuvila and gained recognition for his supporting role in Evade Subramanyam. Devarakonda became more famous after his lead role in the romantic comedy Pelli Choopulu, which won the National Film Award for Best Feature Film in Telugu and the Filmfare Award for Best Film. Devarakonda has established himself as a leading actor of Telugu cinema by starring in lead roles in critical and commercial successes such as Arjun Reddy, Mahanati, Geeta Govindam and Taxiwala. Vijay's performance in Arjun Reddy won him several accolades, including the Filmfare Award for Best Actor. He won the South Indian International Movie Critics Award for Best Actor and was nominated for the Filmfare Award for Best Actor for his work in Geeta Govindam. Devarakonda is known to express his real opinions on stage or interviews and has gathered a lot of popularity, like his speech at the Arjun Reddy audio launch. Devarakonda says his family used to call him a rowdy every time he did something that they did not approve of. Over time, he started using this term for himself and his fans. Vijay also owns King of the Hill Entertainment, a film production company which produced its maiden film Meeku Matrame Chepta. Devarakonda was featured by Forbes India in their 30 under 30 list. According to Google's annual report, he was the most searched South Indian actor. He won numerous awards in a very short span: Nandi Awards, Zee Telugu Golden Awards, Filmfare Awards, Saima Awards, Behind Woods Global Medal, and many more. Vijay will be playing a boxer role in his next movie, Liger, which is a pan-India movie directed by Puri Jagannath. He would be seen playing a pivotal role in the movie Thalaivi as well. Devarakonda placed 72nd in the Forbes India Celebrity 100 list. Film Companion ranked Devarakonda's performance in Arjun Reddy in 100 Greatest Performances of the Decade. Vijay also unveiled his own fashion brand Rowdy Wear. He is already endorsing many top companies' brands, and many more are making a beeline for him. He was endorsing popular brands like KLM Shopping Mall, Zomato app and others. Currently, Vijay Devarakonda signed a deal with Mebaz, which is one of the top ethnic clothing brands in India. Vijay Devarakonda has donated to relief funds, including a donation to families of victims in the 2019 Pulwama attack. He conceptualized and founded the Devarakonda Foundation, a non-profit organization. He donated 24,000 through the foundation to help Ganesh Ambari, a kickboxer who won the WACO Indian Open International Kickboxing Championship title. Vijay Devarakonda was recently in the news for taking part in the Be the Real Man challenge. Apart from donating 5 lakh rupees to Corona Crisis charity to help daily wages, he has set aside 1.25 crores to help needy people during the crisis.